We started a new project. My dad picked up this 07 Cat 246B skid steer. It's got a blown motor, there's a hole in an oil pan, but it looks like somebody's done a repair on it at one point. I think maybe they lost the dipstick and didn't check the oil because the dipstick's missing, and they patched the oil pan with some kind of putty or dope, and you can tell they had the oil pan off, but the motor's locked up. We're pulling the motor out, pulling the cab off, and we had to skid it up in here with soapy water and a tractor and soap on the concrete and try to skid it up in here. So we're disconnecting the motor. We've got the radiator assembly out, and we're disconnecting all the fuel lines, battery lines, turbo lines, and we're gonna start seeing what we can do to pull this thing out. So, all right, let's get to it.
Grandpa's 246B. We got the cab off of it, and so he's hit it with the sander and he's knocking some of the paint off, and we're gonna get the wiring harness out of it so we can tape off all the stickers and paint it. So yeah,
A little welding.
Yeah, put a new plate up in here
Somebody hacked it up.
and put the glass back in the back of it, and that's about it on it.
Okay.
Alright, so we got this Mitsubishi S4 SD out of the Cat 246B. Now we're going to pull out the drive plate, flywheel, and the bell housing so we can get it mounted on an engine stand, and then start taking it apart for the rebuild. So, here we go.
Okay, we got this motor up on an engine stand here, and we're going to start stripping it down a little bit and get the turbo and the muffler off of it. This motor mount and cover bracket, and we're going to probably just go ahead and pull the head so we can flip it over and see why it's got a nice hole in the oil pan. So we'll go from there. So, okay, we'll get that going and
Got the oil pan off of this. What is it? 246B. That's bad.
What?
That's not what it's supposed to look like.
That's not normal. Sorry.
Okay, that's not good. It came through the block over here too, and cracked it right there. Cracked it right there, and went through right there. You can see the crack right there. And there's the hole.
We may source a block. I'm very tempted to buy a Chinese block. You can buy them but I'm scared that they're not shipping out with this corona going on. So yeah, there it is. So we got to start pulling this apart, and that'll be on the next one. Hope this helps.